Dang, that's nasty. Yo. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am Alexis Hope if you're new here. If you are returning, hey lovely. So as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm looking pretty spiffy. I'm on my way to the beach. I am determined to enjoy the last days of summer, okay? I am determined. And it looks like it's about to rain. There's a tropical storm warning for us. I just got that on my phone. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to pour. But your girl going to the beach. I don't care. I'm going to sit out. I'm going to get me a good tan. And we're going to see where today takes us. But I plan on afterwards. Oh my goodness, the traffic is terrible. Does everybody else have the same idea that I have? What? Where's my phone? Can you go? So I can go? We can get this going? We get this popping? People just don't know how to drive. This is ridiculous. I mean, ridiculous. But yeah, on my way to the beach. I hope you guys can see me because the lighting is terrible because there is no sun whatsoever. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna lay here for maybe about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. And I was supposed to have been gone out probably about 30 minutes ago, but you know, life. And I need to get gas. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, and I heard that they're doing construction and road work over here. We're gonna all make this light. I know it. I believe it. I got faith. I snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Okay. We could work with this. The beach might be a little packed. It's okay. We can work with this. We can do this. We got this. I have faith. Guys, I didn't bring no tablet. I didn't bring no headphones. I don't know what I thought. I don't know what I thought I was doing. I don't know. But it's like, did I even try? Did I really try? I just woke up, decided to have my titties out, and decided to come to the beach. I already hear the waves. They roaring, girl. They roaring like the 20s. Sea turtles. I can handle the sea turtles, baby, as long as I don't see no snake. They got them. Baby, as long as I don't see no snake, we good. We Gucci.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, let me let you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life to choose you. I wanna teach you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me
I'm out of breath. Who would have thought that going to the beach was a workout? Luckily, I knew because I brought water. 'Cause it will be there for you morning, noon, and night. Long as you know that.
Thank you to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Hey, I'm picking up a mobile order for Alexis.
For Alexis, I believe we have that, but let me just physically touch it. Let's see what we got. I got a lot today. There's Alexis. 1, 2. You have 3 items, is that right?
Yes.
All right, we've got them. Come on now.
Thank you.
Alexis.
Yes. Thank you. Sorry.
Do you need a stroller, a stopper, or anything?
Yes, both.
Here we go. Love.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. I don't care what nobody says. They put crack in Chick-fil-A. I'm talking about that pure crack. 1980s crack. This is my first time having this pumpkin spice latte. God dang, that's nasty. Yo. It was BOGO today. Ooh. It's nasty. Sheesh. I don't know how people drink it. Oh God. I should have stuck to what I knew. You guys, it is much later. Much later. So, I am on my way. I gotta get gas because, yeah, I need gas. I'm on 19 miles to E. I might as well go ahead and knock that out. I hate getting gas. Something about it I hate. I hate it with every bone in my body. It's like, for me, like washing dishes, doing laundry. Getting gas is up there with that. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna head to Walmart. I want to make bang bang chicken tonight. I saw it on TikTok, and it's another TikTok made me buy it type of deal. So I'm gonna go get all the ingredients, and I'm gonna make it tonight. If not tonight, it'll be tomorrow, because the tropical storm is coming and your girl ain't gonna be able to go nowhere, no ways. So I'm gonna pick up the ingredients, sit down, chill, see how that goes, and of course I'm going to show you all how I do that. God bless it, because I ain't never made it before a day in my life. I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm not much of a cook, but we gonna see. Yeah. Okay, so here in the South we got Duke's mayonnaise. Personally, I'm a Miracle Whip girl, but I'm gonna use Duke's. What is your favorite mayonnaise? Because people be saying Miracle Whip ain't mayonnaise, and that's a lie. The lie detector determined that was a lie. Okay. There's this. Chick-fil-A sriracha. So, sriracha.
Jasmine or what?
I don't like regular white rice, but that's basically all I could get. I mean, the rice I wanted, they no longer have in stock today. Let's see, did I get everything? Yeah. Everything to make this dish I got. God, I hope so. This place is packed right now.
I think so too. Because I didn't even know that the tropical storm was a thing until earlier when I was at school.
Yeah.
And now we get out earlier, right?
Yeah, you guys get out, what, 11?
11:25.
So we are home, and I did make a pit stop to Dollar General because I needed some laundry detergent and some bath scrub. But I pretty much only picked up, push y'all back. Pretty much just picked up what I needed for tonight's dinner. The rice. And once again, I'm making the bang bang chicken. So the rice. Oh, I had to get me a hamburger. So the sriracha spicy I decided to get Chick-fil-A. And I needed mayonnaise. And I needed to get the Thai chili sauce. Everything else I have. Okay, so the mayonnaise, the sweet chili sauce, and the sriracha. Cool beans. And it's done in the air fryer, so it looks pretty easy. And I'm going to put it over rice. But here is everything. I do have it, and I have everything except for the paprika, which is cool. It's cool. I don't need all that. So I'm ready to cook, and I am going to set y'all up like this. Yes. All right. So let's get the chicken out. You guys, the storm. It is so windy. I'm hoping power don't go out. I hope I can finish my food. And I think I'm only going to do 3 chicken breasts. Alright, so I'm going to move the rice to the side. And I'm going to get a knife. We are going to be super quick with this because I think you guys are about to die. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my seasonings over here. And I'm going to make my sauce. So. And I'm not really a big fan of spicy stuff like that. But of course, I'm going to have some type of spice. And as you can see, I'm eyeballing everything. I know that I don't really like hot stuff that much. So luckily, it's more mayonnaise based. Now in the video it says to kind of score the chicken. Let me see if it's easier to do this side. Y'all don't laugh at my chicken breast. Well, this is... Well, that ain't bad. That's not bad. Don't laugh at my chicken breast, okay? Okay, let me wash my hands because I don't like the feel of chicken on my hands. So I got the seasoning salt. And I don't want it salty. Like, I'm not one of those girls. I got the garlic salt. I know that I think the original recipe, the one that I saw, called for garlic powder. If I'm not mistaken. I don't have garlic powder. I have garlic salt. Rub that in. Yeah, that's how much I use my onion powder. Okay. So, let me wipe my hands. Next, it said to put the sauce on it. Okay. Good deal. So let's dig in, and I should have done like some vegetables because we all need that, but you know what, I'm hungry, so leg out. This would have been bomb as some fish. This would have been some really good fish. If you cook this, make sure you adjust the time on your air fryer to fit your air fryer. I totally didn't think of that. I adjust the temperature, but my chicken breasts are pretty thin, so I kind of dried it out a little bit, but it's still pretty good. The sauce is really good. Sauce is bomb, so that makes up for it. Good morning, folks. Good morning. It is the Friday before Saturday. No, it's the Friday before the first start of fall, and it is feeling like fall outside. I think that's mainly because there's a tropical storm coming through. So I'm on my way to Dunkin Donuts. Your girl got a free coupon for that new Ice Spice drink, so we're gonna try that. Because otherwise, I wouldn't have gone. The last time I have gone to Dunkin Donuts, maybe a couple of years ago, and they gave me a very, very, very sweet pumpkin spice latte, which made me so sick because it was just too much. Okay? Now, I'm expecting the lines here to be a little long because it is morning. But we're gonna push through. I should have did it for, I don't know if they, my Dunkin Donuts here for a while there, they weren't doing walk-ins because they didn't have the staff, and they were just doing drive-through. I don't know how that's working now. It gave me the option to do a walk-in, but that don't mean nothing. So yes, and my body knows that we're going to Dunkin Donuts, and it's like, wait a minute, like, let's not do this, okay? But I want to try the new Ice Spice drink. I got a large because the coupon was for free. So if you guys see this, Munchkin 23 is the code for the app. If they haven't taken the code down by the time you know, you guys see this, which will be in a couple of days after this, Munchkin 23, Munchkins with an S 23. I'm in a couple of frugal groups, and we be sharing codes, baby. We be sharing codes. So next, after that, I want to record a video, and I'm not 100% sure if this video is going to be up by the time you guys see this. I doubt it. Maybe I might record the video and be able to get the video up today. I don't know. Fridays is a heavy upload day. People, because this one is going to be up by Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. Go ahead. This is going to be up by Sunday. So we'll see how that goes. But not us out here in the hurricane trying to get some coffee. Oh shit. Okay, we got a line, baby. So good, I expected no less. And yesterday, maybe it was the time of day I went, but there was no line at Starbucks. Don't tell me y'all feeling Dunkin' more than Starbucks. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Oh, it looks like no, it doesn't look like we could have went in. This is probably employees. Yes, you could. I could have went in and got my drink. It's all good. I'll sit here and chill with y'all. First thing I do when I get out of bed is I gotta go have my coffee. It's just, it is what it is. Like, that's the first thing. That's number one. Oh, you guys, let me know. I had a lens on my camera yesterday, and it's supposed to like do the UV light and all that, you know, make sure just the no UV light is going into the lens. Let me know how that looks. To me, it looked a little glossy, like glossed over, like you could tell there was a film on the lens. But let me know, because I took it off because it is raining. There is no UV light, and none that could harm the camera. But moment of truth, because they don't have my name on it or nothing. I hope this is it. This is it. Damn, it has the Munchkin donut in it. It has Munchkin donuts in it, you guys. It has glazed donut inside. Sweet as shit, but it's not bad. This is literally why I can never have anything nice. I don't know if y'all... Oh, wait a minute. It looks like it's gone. 5 minutes into drinking this drink, already on my shirt. Already on my shirt. Guys, this storm is crazy. I don't think you guys can tell. Like, this isn't even the worst, and they're saying the worst is supposed to come tomorrow, but it is crazy out here. Like, as in, the wind is, I don't know, if you're out here and you're trying to get stuff done, I don't think you can. Oh, by the way, it's dark only because it's much later in the day. Good morning, lovely folks. So it is the official first day of fall, Saturday 23rd. And there's a damn hurricane outside. I've seen reports on Facebook that a lot of people in town don't have electricity. Right now I do have it, clearly. But I have my little lamp here just in case, and the lights have been flickering. And as you know, your girl does not do the dark, okay? We just don't do it. We just don't do it, okay? It's the reason why I don't watch scary movies and stuff like that, because that shit lingers. So, I'm sitting here right now. I'm trying to do some work. I'm actually working on the description and stuff for this video, for this vlog, so that I have that, and when I'm able to... The storm is supposed to land within the next hour or two. Make landfall. I don't know how that's gonna go, but the sun is up in about 45 minutes, and as long as the sun is up, I'm cool. I have hope. I feel it, you know. I feel faith. But I am doing the description and stuff so that hopefully I'm able to at least do the editing and uploading for this vlog right here. And so I can do that. That means I can have it up Sunday, which is tomorrow, the 24th, and you guys will be able to see it. But I'm pretty much waiting for the lights to go out. I know it's coming, and I don't have a problem with them going out. I have a problem with them staying out. That's my problem. But I've been up since 4. I mean, the wind woke me up, the wind and the rain, because it has stopped. I really thought everything was good. Yesterday was crazy. It was just unbelievable. I really thought that the hurricane landed yesterday. No, it's landing within an hour or so. I still have internet and everything, so I'm keeping up with stuff. My county is pretty good as far as putting things up on Facebook, as far as, you know, notifications and stuff and updates. So I'm watching that, and yeah, it ain't even landed here yet. They're thinking around 7 or 8 is going to make landfall here. Editing Alexis here. How rude of me. I forgot to completely end the vlog. I'm so sorry. You guys, I just want to give you an update. I am good as far as the hurricane. It is still here. It's still kicking, but we got power. I'm editing this vlog right here. I'm uploading it. You guys will see it Sunday, tomorrow. We are Gucci. We good. I'm on it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one, which will be October the 1st, because it is the start of Vlogtober. So let's get it. Let's go. Vlogs every day, all day. Let's roll.